Hello, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's take a full look at the electric car, EV business. There have been some big changes lately. Tesla is still a hot topic, and they need to show that they're more than just a car business. Musk wants Tesla to be known as a tech company. To do that, they need some big news. The next version of full self-driving will be shown off on October 10th. The important question is, can they do it? Tesla is getting ready, but Waymo is already up against them. It has regulatory approvals in places like San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Phoenix. Tesla also has to deal with similar governmental problems. It will be interesting to see what they do. It might share that they have received regulatory approval in China, which is the biggest car market in the world. This could give their stock a big boost. Tesla keeps doing well with new technologies and skyrocketing stock prices. Rivian and Lucid, on the other hand, are having a hard time. We'll talk about the problems these companies are having, the plans they're using to stay in business, and how Tesla is still a major player in the ever-changing EV market. We'll go into great detail about how Rivian has trouble making money despite their big plans, and how Lucid has drastically lowered their production estimates. We'll also talk about how Tesla's progress in making robots more autonomous and their work on lifelike robots could help them get even ahead in the industry. Hold on tight, because we're going to look into these changes in depth to see what they mean for the future of electric cars. This episode has something for everyone, whether you're an investor, a tech fan, or just interested in how this high-stakes business works. Please make sure that you have subscribed and that notifications are turned on so that you never miss our in-depth studies and updates. Let's jump right in. One thing is for sure, Tesla rules the electric vehicle, EV business. These people are in charge and showing everyone how to do it. On the other hand, Lucid Motors loses almost $1 billion every 3 months. That's a lot of money going down the drain. It's hard for them to keep the lights on over there. When it comes to Rivian, things don't look good. They're very close to bankruptcy and need Volkswagen to give them $1 billion to get out of it. Even though things are tough, Rivian still has a chance because some big names are behind them. But let's be honest, it's like being the younger brother who always needs money. Even though Volkswagen has become a supporter of Rivian, that doesn't make Rivian stronger. They don't seem to be in charge anymore, which means they might have to make some tough choices. There is a lot of pressure on Rivian because it doesn't have much cash on hand and is up against a giant like Tesla. We won't know how this underdog story ends until it does. Lucid Motors is also having a hard time. Even though they have a lot of money from Saudi backers, they are losing about $2.5 billion every year. They only made 2,400 cars in the second quarter, which isn't even close to enough to make a profit. Lucid needs to speed up production a lot if they want to turn things around, but you can't just start scaling up right away. It takes time, resources, and stable operations, all of which Lucid is having trouble with. Also, Lucid's credibility was hurt when they drastically lowered their forecast for vehicle deliveries. They used to want to get 90,000 vehicles by 2024, but now they've lowered their goal to just 9,000. This big change makes me doubt their ability to meet their goals, and it might make investors even less confident. At the same time, Rivian's production costs are much higher than expected, which is making their finances tough. But there is a bright side. A multi-billion-dollar deal with Volkswagen could give them the money and knowledge they need to keep going. This partnership could help Rivian improve how it makes things and cut costs. Tesla stands to gain from all of this chaos. Tesla has already figured out how to efficiently increase production, and the company keeps coming up with new ways to make products and cut costs. Rivian and Lucid are having trouble, which means Tesla has less immediate competition. This lets them further establish their market leadership. Customers may see Tesla as a safer option than companies like Rivian or Lucid, whose production plans are being cut, or Tesla, whose costs are going up. Investors and customers might be interested in Tesla because of its track record of meeting production goals and delivering high-quality cars. People are also interested in Tesla's innovative projects. Not stopping at electric vehicles, they're pushing aggressively towards autonomy and even developing humanoid robots. This isn't just an expansion of their product line, it's a potential revolution in how we interact with technology on a daily basis. Given the challenges Rivian and Lucid face, There's even speculation about potential acquisitions. If these companies fail to stabilize and scale operations, they might become attractive targets for other companies looking to gain a foothold in the EV market. Tesla's continued push on innovation fronts could widen the gap further, solidifying their lead in the industry. The Cybertruck, with its unique design and advanced technology like steer-by-wire and a higher voltage system, represents a significant leap in vehicle engineering. A slow production ramp-up was anticipated as these are foundational changes that require a cautious approach. Cybertruck is also gaining attention in popular culture, thanks to viral videos and endorsements from high-profile figures like Tucker Carlson and Donald Trump. These endorsements help broaden Tesla's reach, making the Cybertruck a symbol of innovation and status. Tesla's popularity is soaring globally, underscored by a clamor for products like the Cybertruck. However, with popularity comes scrutiny. Tesla is under pressure to prove that its innovations meet rigorous safety and regulatory standards. Every new feature, especially those of the Cybertruck, must pass through a gauntlet of regulatory approvals. Rivian's journey remains a steep climb. Despite an impressive lineup that includes the R1T, R1S, and a delivery van, they're losing an eye-watering $440,000 per car sold. This casts serious doubt on their ability to become profitable in the near future. Tesla, meanwhile, is on a completely different trajectory, with predictions of swift regulatory approvals and a soaring stock price. Tesla continues to cement its position as the leader in the EV industry. Lucid, facing similar financial and operational challenges as Rivian, may also need a miracle to survive. In contrast, Tesla isn't just surviving, it's thriving. Their success is built on strategic foresight, robust engineering, and a keen understanding of market dynamics, elements that seem to elude their competitors. Rivian and Lucid are fighting just to stay afloat, while Tesla is actively expanding its horizons and solidifying its place as the industry leader. That wraps up our deep dive into the turbulent world of electric vehicles. We've explored the contrasting fortunes of Rivian and Lucid, both grappling with significant challenges, while Tesla continues to lead the pack and push the boundaries of innovation. What do you think? Can Rivian and Lucid turn things around, or is Tesla too far ahead? How will Tesla's advancements in autonomy and humanoid robots shape the future of not just transportation, but our daily lives? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay informed about the latest in Tesla and the broader EV market, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tesla Stock News, and ring the bell for notifications. Stay charged and ready for more electrifying news. Thanks for watching.